Hello everyone, this is Patrina and
Ronald.
Today we're going to be talking about the health benefits of kimchi. So listen up and please give us a hello in the comments below or type in hashtag replay if you're watching on the replay. And let us know if you've ever heard of kimchi or have eaten it. So over to you, Ronald.
Yeah, the actual word, so you get the pronunciation correct, is K-I-M and then C-H-I, kimchi. Right? Now, you're in for a real eye-opening experience. Kimchi is the premier probiotic in Korea. Right? I've spoken to many Koreans in Asia, and it's remarkable how healthy they were. Right? They're very strong people, and like similar to the Okinawans, who eat a lot of seaweed, up to 1 pound of seaweed a day, the Koreans, especially the South Koreans, eat a lot of kimchi, like for breakfast, with lunch and dinner. They love their kimchi. What is kimchi? It's basically fermented cabbage, right? And it's fermented cabbage with a lot of chili. And it is the premier probiotic in Korea. But we're not going to talk about North Korea, because North Korea is a real shame, because, the people that look well fed are the military, and now they're tied up with the Kim Jong-un, right? But the South Koreans are much better off. They got more freedom, and they got more capacity to enjoy the kimchi. Now, kimchi, as I said before, is not an antibiotic. Now, you've got to remember the word antibiotic. Antibiotic, take out the tick and say, when you take out the tick, what happens? Antibio means anti-life. So when you take an antibiotic, it's actually not good for you, because it's anti-life. Whereas probiotic means pro-life. And kimchi is a premier probiotic for not just the South Korean, but for anybody who wants to eat it. So what you should do to start with is be aware of this. Go to a Korean shop and buy the jar, and we'll show you what the jar looks like.
Okay,
this is one size.
So it's K-I-M-C-H-I,
yep.
And that's what it looks like.
Yeah. Can you see the red color? So the red color is basically the color of the chili, soaked right into the cabbage, right? It's actually delicious. When you eat that with brown rice, red rice and wild rice, and you put some fish with it, and you have the kimchi with it, it's a premier dish. And the kimchi helps the fish and the rice to digest, right? So why is it so important to have a probiotic? In your gut, which is your belly, right, it's estimated you've got about 7 trillion probiotic bacteria. 7 trillion probiotic bacteria. And most people in England are very, very short of probiotics. I can see that with the patients that we see, that they're always sick with colds, flu, hay fever, all kinds of issues.
And they're often taking antibiotics instead.
That's right. They're never taking antibiotics. You should be taking probiotics like kimchi. Now, that's so important, because those 7 trillion probiotics don't stay alive unless you put probiotics on a daily basis in your mouth, into your stomach, and into the belly. Right? So remember, it plays a huge part in long-term health. It is one of the premier dishes if you want longevity and wellness and longevity, and stay young for a long, long time. Eat kimchi on a daily basis.
Yes, so as Ronald said, kimchi is normally made from cabbage, which is fermented. However, this one you can see is actually made from radishes itself.
That's another way to do
it. So it's a sliced radish kimchi.
Yeah.
So all different types.
Yeah. They're both, even though they traditionally it's made with cabbage, but as Patrina said, this is made with radish. So you should alternate. You should have maybe a radish one day and cabbage the next day, but at the end of the day, it's got chili in it, and it's very strong, so you got to get used to it. But you will love it. Once you get onto it, if you like a bit of chili, fantastic.
Okay, so let us know how you get on with trying or continuing to
Yeah.
eat kimchi.
Yes.
And whilst we're here, before we go, just remember that we have this free guide as well, What Your Eyes Can Reveal About Your Health, which Ronald has written a few months ago. It's a short booklet which tells you a bit more of how we can actually reveal illnesses or weaknesses through your eyes itself.
Exactly.
So do request for this book. I'll share the link in the comments below. Download it. It's totally free. And connect with us if you need any further guidance. Till next time, take care. Bye-bye.